Bell ARH-70 Arapaho, the helicopter that failed. What happens when a military aircraft meant to replace an aging fleet ends up being canceled before it even reaches service? That is exactly the story of the Bell ARH-70 Arapaho. The ARH-70 was designed to replace the OH-58D Kiowa Warrior, a scout helicopter that had served the U.S. Army for decades. On paper, it looked like the perfect answer. Built on the proven Bell 407 civilian airframe, it promised modern avionics, deadly weapons, and the ability to operate in fast-changing combat zones. With seating for 2 pilots and room for up to 6 passengers, the Arapaho was compact yet powerful. It could carry a .50 caliber Gatling gun, Hydra-70 rockets, and even AGM-114 Hellfire missiles. Advanced systems like the Bright Star 2 targeting suite with night vision, laser designation, and infrared cameras gave it the technology edge for reconnaissance and urban combat support. Performance-wise, the numbers were solid. A top speed of 259 kilometers per hour, a range of 300 kilometers, and a service ceiling of 20,000 feet. For a light-armed scout, this was impressive. So what went wrong? The problem was not the design, it was the development. The program suffered from cost overruns, repeated delays, and technical certification issues. Despite being based on a commercial helicopter to save money, the modifications required for combat operations became more expensive than expected. By October 2008, after only 4 prototypes were built, the U.S. Army canceled the entire program. The Arapaho never became an official Army aircraft, and the name itself was only informal. In the end, it became a symbol of how even promising military projects can collapse under budget and logistical pressure. So was the ARH-70 a wasted opportunity, or just a necessary lesson in military aviation development? That is still debated today. If you want more breakdowns of aircraft that made history or failed to, make sure you subscribe and keep watching.